Hello friends, welcome to Bunny's Bites. Since summer is coming, can you believe it's arrived so quickly? I will be making summer salads. These are refreshing salads to keep you cool during the hot weather. As well as that, they're healthy, tasty, and vegetarian. The first salad I'm going to show you today is beetroot salad. Before adding in the beetroot, make sure to cut off the stalk and the tail before peeling and grating it. And when grating the beetroot, remember to use the big hole for it. As you can see, the beetroot pieces are slightly thick to allow crunchiness in the salad. I am using 3 tablespoons grated beetroot. Spread this thinly for easy mixing later on. Then add in a cup of curd to this. After that, add a quarter teaspoon of crushed black peppercorns and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Then add in 1 tablespoon of coriander and 1 tablespoon of mint. Mix all of this together until well combined. The tangy taste in the chaat masala enhances the natural taste of the salad ingredients. You don't have to add in salt since the beetroot already has a natural salty taste. The mixture should turn into a beautiful pinky purple color. You could just have the salad like this and it would still taste nice. But for extra flavor, I am adding in some tempered spices. Fun fact! Cooking a beetroot reduces its nutrition levels, so eating this raw beetroot salad is good for your health. In a small pan, add in a small spoon of coconut oil or any oil you like, and after it has melted, add in chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some red chili flake in small quantities. Now spoon this on top of your salad. That's it, your cool beetroot salad is ready to eat.
Yummy!
Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bunny's Bites, and watch out for our next video, Summer Salads Part 2. If you have any feedback, write it in the comments below.